Okay. So আমরা flushing of dose নিয়ে কথা বলছিলাম. Flushing of dose should start 1 month prior to the introduction of the buck. বাকের ইন্ট্রোডাকশনের 1 মাস পূর্বে অবশ্যই শুরু করতে হবে. হ্যাঁ. So what we'll do the flushing is that it will improve the health status of the nanny, and that is why the nanny will be capable of raising more than one kid, and it will also have the capability to increase the ovulation rate, which in turn will result in higher kidding percentage. The increasing in the energy level of the nanny or the female should continue throughout the breeding season. Shara breeding season, which is the fall. Breeding season flushing করতে হবে until a few weeks after the belly is removed. এবং ওই মেল রিমুভালের কিছু সপ্তাহ পর পর্যন্ত this will be continued. This is what is the flushing of dose. Now the next is the breeding and kidding management. So for successful goat farming, you need to focus on that each and every female goat are being inseminated. So if you have a large flock and if it is difficult to look which goats are missing from insemination, it will result in loss, because those 2 or 3 female goats which are skipped from insemination, they represent money spent without any return, right? They are the representative that they are consuming the money you are investing in your farm without any return from them. So this is need to be considered. The next thing is that you will find that there are some does in your flock, they will never come to heat. যারা কখনোই হিটে আসে না. So you need to cull them, and there may be some lame or sick bucks also present in the flock. You need to cull them also. You will need to make sure that your does are ready for breeding season by deworming them, trimming their hooves, and vaccinating them in time. So during the breeding season, we want that no strays are being employed on our does. That's why beforehand we need to deal with all these stressful factors. The next point is that we need to wait until the does come to maturity and they come to that point of their age when they are truly available to be used as a successful mother. যখন তারা successful mother হিসেবে ব্যবহারের জন্য truly available হবে, depending on their age, depending on their level of maturity, then we will go for the insemination. Okay, so the message is that we cannot or we should not go for breeding at too young age. Like as I said, they can come to sexual maturity by the age of 4 months. 4 মাসেই sexual maturity তে চলে আসতে পারে. Now if we go for insemination at the age of 4 months, the chance of giving unhealthy or very low producing kid is very high. The next point is that you need to prepare your shed in such a way that remains draft free. but we need to ensure a proper ventilation without draft, and we need to keep the floor clean. We need to keep dry straw in the shade. And once the kidding is completed, the most important thing is that we need to ensure the colostrum to the newborn within the first half to 1 hour after birth. জন্মের 30 মিনিট থেকে 1 ঘন্টার মধ্যে the colostrum is needed. The last point of today's discussion is the process of kidding. Watching the births of kids is one of the most rewarding things about raising goats. Understanding the process of what is happening. If you understand what is happening during the kidding process, that will let you know, or that will let you to make quick decision whether any assistance is needed or not. কোনো কি assistance প্রয়োজন আছে কি নেই during the act of parturition, you can easily identify, or you can easily determine if you know the process well. Now, to know the process well, you need to know the when is the onset of labor and what is the actual or correct birth process. Okay. Now, for the correct kidding, the last month of pregnancy is very much important. শেষ মাসটা খুব বেশি important. During the last month of pregnancy, the female will need more energy to keep up with the demands of the kids growing inside of her. So what we will need to do, we will need to provide extra energy for the female, and at the same time, if we can arrange a separate room for the pregnant mother so that she remains in comfort with proper ventilation and proper cleanliness. The onset of labor. At the start of labor, the doe will become unsociable and restless, as we said in the earlier slide. She will move away from the main part of the herd and will spend extra time laying down. Okay, so this is the symptom. We can identify that the labor is going to be started. And the correct birth process is that the appearance of the front feet first. So this is the correct position, that the front feet will come out first, and the kid's head should lay above and between the front legs in a normal presentation. Okay, so this is not actually in detail the kidding process. We will not go in detail also, আমরা ডিটেইলে যাব না. This is in short the process of feeding. So in this slide we try to speak out or tell you or let you know about the breeding characteristics of the male and female goats and the reproductive biotechnological tools that are in use for breeding of farm animals. The successful breeding requires some essential points to be considered. Those are all have discussed also. And finally, we have discussed about different management that should be focused before, during, and after the breeding. Okay, and this is all about today's lecture. Now I am offering question from the lecture, and then we will go for another discussion, if any. Okay, so if there is no question for now, question may arise at the later stage.
ভেনেরিয়াল
Venereal diseases.
স্যার ওটা আরেকবার একটু বলেন প্লিজ।
আচ্ছা, venereal disease হচ্ছে those disease which may তোমার happen, হ্যাঁ, যেগুলো হতে পারে due to sexual intercourses, physical intercourse, then due to the any abnormality or any contagious agents present in the semen or present in the ovum or reproductive tract of the male of the female, এই সকল জনিত যে রোগ, those are the venereal diseases. Any more question? Okay, so if there is no more question, I would like to close the lecture here. Okay, so we are almost done with our course. We have a class remaining of tools and facilities of goat and sheep farm, and another class of planning of goat and sheep farm. So 2 or 3 classes will be sufficient to close up the course. Then we will go for তারপর আমরা একটা গ্যাপ নিব কিছুদিন, হ্যাঁ, কিছুদিন গ্যাপ নিয়ে we have some topics remaining undiscussed of the previous semester. আমরা ওইসব টপিক গুলো আলোচনা করে we will wait for the examination to start. So this is all about today's lecture. So I am going to close the session right now. তোমরা সবাই ভালো থেকো. Hope to see you soon in the next class. In the Wednesday, হ্যাঁ, Wednesday সকাল 9টায় ক্লাস নিতাম না আমি?
জি স্যার।
Okay, fine. So that will be our regular time. Goodbye.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।